In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify store, allowing you to temporarily close it while keeping everything intact behind the scenes. Whether you need to take a break, work on new strategies, or make updates, this guide will show you just how easy it is to manage your online store effectively by putting it on hold without losing any important information or progress. To start, let's make our way to your Shopify admin page. Log into your Shopify account, and from your dashboard, look for the My Store or Home section. This is your main starting point for most of the tasks you'll perform on Shopify. Once you've landed on your home page, it's time to dive into the settings where you'll be able to manage the visibility of your store. Now, let's focus on adjusting your store preferences. In the left-hand menu, you'll find an option labeled Preferences. Click on it to open up a page full of settings specifically designed to help you tweak and customize how your store operates from the customer's vantage point. Once you're in the Preferences section, you'll want to look for the area where you can type in Temporary Close. This is your magic keyword. Typing Temporary Close into the designated field allows Shopify to recognize that you're opting to pause your online store operations. However, remember that this doesn't delete any data or remove your products. It simply makes your store unavailable for a period of time. This option is perfect for short breaks or maintenance periods where you need some behind-the-scenes adjustments. Continuing from there, you'll want to navigate to the password page. This part is crucial because enabling password protection ensures that customers or anyone who stumbles upon your online store cannot access it unless they have the password. By clicking on Password, you're essentially initiating a barrier that only you can control. It's an excellent way to keep things under wrap while you work out what needs changing or improving on your platform. Finally, to solidify your store's temporary closure, click on Enable. By doing so, you're officially activating the password barrier and making sure that your store is paused as intended. Remember, this setting is reversible, and you can return at any time to disable the password, welcoming customers back to a refreshed and perhaps updated shopping experience. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, your Shopify store is now paused, allowing you the flexibility to manage your business on your own terms. I hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to temporarily close your Shopify store. It's a simple yet effective way to take control, recalibrate, and return stronger when you're ready.